In this video, I will show you how to create a free landing page for email marketing with or without WordPress. What's up, email marketers? Amar here, and what we want to get done after the end of this video is a free landing page like this one without using WordPress, using just a plain HTML template, or using WordPress and getting a landing page just like this one here. And before I get into the details, please do me a huge favor by pressing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and or drop a comment or question below. It does really matter for me at this moment, and thank you very much in advance for the support. Now, if you are not interested in the WordPress method, you can forward the video to the middle to see the plain HTML method, but if you are a fan of WordPress, let's get into it. So here I am on a fresh WordPress installation, and this is the default 2020 WordPress theme. I need to install one free theme and one free plugin. So for the theme, I need to go to Appearance and then click on Themes, and once on this page here, I will click here, Add a New Theme, and after that I will type on the search bar Astra. So it will bring the theme right here. This is the Astra theme. Click on Install and then activate it once it's installed. Alright, so it is being activated. Now it's active. The second thing I need to do now is go to Plugins to install a new free plugin. And this plugin goes with the Astra theme, and it's called Starter Templates. Starter Templates. Let's wait for it to appear. And this is what I'm talking about. This is the plugin I'm gonna use to make the landing page. So install the plugin and then activate it. And once it's activated, you scroll down in the plugins. When you find the starter templates, you can see the library here. Click on See Library and you will see all the landing page templates that you can use using this method here. As you can see here, there is a big variety of templates that you can use. If you are a freelancer, you can use this one. It's called Freelance Copywriter, Roofing Services, etc., etc. So what I want to do is go to the filter here and take only the free templates, and then I'll be searching for one that is about ebooks. This one is called ebook author, so I will just click on it, and then if I want to have a website that has all these pages here already set up for me, I will import the complete website. This will be my main landing page or the home page, and these are other pages on the website. So if you can see this button here saying import complete website, I'll click on it. It will take like a minute to download everything and then import. So I will just pause for a second and come back. So it took me like 30 seconds to get done. It says here imported successfully, and I have this button here saying view site. So when I click on it, I'm supposed to see the home page. And now all I have to do actually is customize the landing page. So as you can see, there is the headline here, the other pages menu, and you have this big graphic here, some information, a headline, a subheadline, a description, and then you have other sections below. Of course, you can remove all these sections here and keep only what you need. So if I go back to my dashboard on WordPress and go to the pages and display all the pages, I want to go to the home page and do some editing on it. So I click on edit, and the first thing I want to show you is When this button here comes, click on Edit with Elementor. It has been installed automatically. So we're going to wait for the Elementor editor in order to do some customizations on the template. Once the editor is open, I can change this graphic here by pressing on this little button here, and then I will go here at the left hand side, click choose an image, and then I have an image here that I would like to use. It's about an ebook. So now I have this image, and now I will click on update, and I will of course go ahead and refresh this page here to see exactly what I have. Now here is the landing page. If I want to change the information here, all you have to do is go to the editor and click here and change the information at the left hand side. So you can put your big headline here, write it here. You can customize also the style and everything here, and this subheadline as well, and this description as well. And now, since we are doing email marketing, we need to put the form code, the autoresponder form code somewhere in the page to be able to collect email addresses. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, maybe remove some sections here, and then find a place where I can put the form code that I will be bringing from GetResponse. Let's start actually with GetResponse. I will go to GetResponse, and on the main menu I will click on Forms and Surveys. These forms here are already created. I created them before, and if you want to know how exactly you create web forms for your autoresponder lists, what you need to do is just drop a comment and I will make a video specially for you. Now this is a web form. As an example, I'm going to click on these points here and copy the form code. Copy the form code. This is the form code. I'm going to copy it, and then I will go back to my WordPress website and find a place where to put that code. So this section here, I can remove it. I don't need it. This one as well. You can also go down and remove all the sections that you don't want. But right now I want to put my code right here. So what I need to do is go to the left hand side, click on the menu of Elementor, and search for the HTML code icon. It will be at the bottom, this one here, HTML. Drag it and drop it to the place where you want to put your form. So this is exactly where the form will appear, and I need to click on this blue button here and then go to the left hand side and paste the code that I got from GetResponse. And as you can see right away, the form is appearing here. So I need to update first and then go to refresh my page and see what happens. So refresh the page, and here you go. You have the form from the autoresponder, and people can put their email addresses here and click on the button. You can put it here, you can put it here, you can put it at the bottom, you can put it whatever you want. And if you don't want these sections here, all you have to do is click on the X here and they will be gone. So I don't need this one as well. So it's up to you what you keep and what you remove. Let me update and take one more time a look at the page. So refresh it, and now I have this landing page here. You can customize it and then use it to collect emails and follow up with your prospects after that. Now let's say that you are using Warrior Plus buttons and mini funnels to actually build your list and also sell on the back end. In this case, you want to put a button just like this one instead of the web form. So like this one here is a landing page or a sales page, and this is the button that will allow me to collect email addresses, because every time someone clicks on this button to get the free stuff, his email address will be sent to my autoresponder here. Now let me go to Warrior Plus and show you exactly how to do that. So you need to have a vendor account, and then you go to your offers here by clicking vendor and then offers. And I will take just randomly an offer and use it for this example. So let's go to this one here, and this is the button that will give me the code. So click on get code and I will get this code here. So I will actually copy the code as it is. I'm not gonna change it because I can change it here, but what I want to do is just test it right here. So I'm back on the dashboard. Click on this menu here, go to the HTML icon, drag it and drop it somewhere on the website. Let me put the HTML code of that button just here below the web form. So I will click on this button here, and since I already copied the button code, I will just paste it here. So this is the code of that button. Now I will update and go ahead and refresh the page to see what happened. Of course, we're not going to keep both here. We are going to use only one of these, but this is exactly the method on how to collect email addresses using get response form code or Warrior Plus button. So as you can see here, the button is a little bit at the left hand side. I want to put it at the center, so all I have to do is add this tag here that is called center. If I write it there, and then now you can see that the button is on the center. Let me update and take a look at the result after that. And as you can see now, I have the form code from the autoresponder and the Warrior Plus free download button, and both will allow me to collect emails for my email marketing campaigns. Of course, one more time, you need to use only one of these, not both of them. So this is the free way to use WordPress to create landing pages and collect email addresses for your email marketing campaigns. And now I'm going to show you how to use a plain HTML template to create landing page just like this one here. So when it comes to plain HTML landing page templates, usually you find them in a folder where there is an index.html file and a subfolder with some images used in that template. And what we need to do actually is edit this file here to customize and make changes. And I use a free software called NVU. You can download it on the internet. And if I click on the open button and I open that index.html file, I see the landing page right here. So I organized this as a landing page for list building or email marketing, where we have a hot headline at the top, and then we usually have a graphic. You can put a graphic or not, it's up to you, but if you write a headline that grabs attention, this will be the most important thing. And after that, you can put a subheadline, some bullet points, and then a call to action. And just after the call to action, you insert the autoresponder form code or the Warrior Plus button code, just like we did before with the WordPress template. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab the code from the get response and the code from Warrior Plus and bring them down here. I will be able to put them because I have this tab here at the bottom that says source, where I can see the source code of this HTML file. So right here, and then I will be coming to this place here where it says Warrior Plus button. I'll put the code, and also for the autoresponder form code. Okay, so here I am on get response, and I will take the same code of the same form from earlier. So I go here and then I click copy form code, and then I click on this button here, copy. I go back to my HTML editor, and I will let me put an enter here to break the space. Now I'm going to replace this word here, autoresponder form code, with that code I grabbed from get response. So I will go to this tab here, source, and then find autoresponder form code. I will delete it and paste the code I brought from get response. Now I will save, and now I will refresh my page and see what happened at the bottom. And now when I refresh, I have the get response form code where people can insert their email address. And now I'm going to put the Warrior Plus button right here. Let me go grab the Warrior Plus button. So when you go to the vendor menu and then you click on offers, you will see all the offers that you put on Warrior Plus. And let's take just one for an example. And as soon as you open the offer, you will see this button here saying get code. You can customize, of course. I like to put it clear. Here you can change the color. Let's keep it yellow. What's written on the button, I want free download, and then I want the background to be transparent. Now I have this code here that I can take from here, copy, and then go and search for this word here on the source code. I'm searching for Warrior Plus button code, and here it is right here. So I will select it and then paste the code, and then I will save and refresh the page. Let's refresh the page and see what will happen. Now I have the form here and I have the button code here. I will leave just one of these here. Of course, you can customize this by changing anything you want here. This is what you see is what you get. So you can remove this and write anything you want. You can also insert a different graphic. You can change the bullet points. You can, of course, change the call to action. It might be please click the button below to access your download. And here usually we put some disclaimers or some terms of service. And if you want some templates ready to be customized, you can check the link in the description below. You will see this page here where I'm offering 50 squeeze pages or landing pages ready to be updated and customized. And you will have also the private label rights with this product, so you can use them yourself, sell them, or offer them to build your email list. So this was it, guys, for this video. I thank you very much for making it so far in the video, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.